have this noise.
Hey guys, has your vehicle sounded like that lately?
2014.
Well, in this video,
Chevrolet
I'm going to show you
Equinox.
what it could possibly be.
So I figured it was something
Take a
with
look.
the muffler or something. So I decided to climb underneath here. And this looks like a hole, or looks like where it gave way. So I'm going to start it up and see if the noise is coming from here. Pretty sure it has to be.
So that's the resonator. As you can see, there's a split in it. I'm going to do a future video on how to repair it. I'll leave you a link to that later on. Alright, that's it for this video. Until the next one. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments.